This 2019 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, TV antenna, microwave, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, water heater, DVD player, skylight, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16BHS is 3,112 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.